Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this one right here.
Going down.
What floor are you going to?
What
What floor?
This is going down, Paul.
Okay.
Write
They didn't
it
hear
down
you.
and then write it back up.
Oh, it's going down.
Yep, but we'll push it.
Yes.
You just write it down and write it right back up.
Yeah.
First floor.
Right, I love you. We're getting off here.
Going.
I'll be going back over there and this open up right.
Yeah, I got it.
Let me get back shortly.
This way. Look, main entrance, look, main entrance.
Okay. What's this now? Is this a pass here?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
I was gonna go to the other hospital.
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a pass.
Oh, you just went there by accident.
Yeah, I did. It's okay. It's still fine.
Yeah.
You can still
Mike, I
see.
have to be careful. Just it's too far away on that. Not right. Oh, look at this place. What the heck? That was too bad last time. What's wrong?
Jesus.
Excuse me? That's so cool.
The numbers.
And I don't know, like this one last time.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's just a long time.
Floor 11.
What's this now? Oh, it's in click.
Okay, you can't go that way. You can't go in those rooms. Those are patient rooms.
I know. Let's go. I'll get the one section. That's cool. Oh, what the heck?
Floor 1.
What's the hell's that?
Those are broken.
Yeah. Me and my dad been up that circulator before.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've been to the escalator before. And now it's just broken. We went up there before, a long time ago.
All right, yeah, I know. We've been all over this We've been all over this hospital. When you were here, when you were a baby.
Yeah, we've been here for like days.
Yeah, you were here for days. When we were here together. with
Yeah,
you.
and I was like, I really want to escape here so
I
bad.
know. You wanted to escape. But now
Yes,
you like
I
it.
really want to take a bath.
But now you like it. You like to visit.
But remember when? And I just want to take a bath, and I didn't like the bath on the hospital bed.
Yeah, I didn't like it either, but they helped you get better. They helped you feel better, remember?
Yeah, did they gotta keep doing that?
No, no more. We're all done. You don't have to stay in the hospital anymore.
No, about we stay here for days. About we stay here for days like a years ago.
Yeah, it was years ago.
You smell something like from last time, right? Let's go to your left. There's the elevator.
Just a little bit more. It's
Let them
still
off
working.
first.
If you were here,
Let them get off
well,
first.
thank you. Very gentlemanly. If you,
Don't put your hands on your face.
Huh?
Don't. Yeah, try not to do that. These little gloves are dirty.
What the heck? Up to 506. That's weird.
11.
I don't know what happened.
Going down.
What now?
Okay. We can't go this way. These are patient rooms.
I don't know, taking a look at the view. What's this now? Look how little further down it is. I wonder which one's gonna come. Alright, the gold elevators. We'll see if we. We'll see. If we can. Or else.
Who's the gold elevators?
Huh?
Which ones are the gold elevators?
I'll show you later. We just passed it.
Oh, okay.
Is that signature in our Vascular Institute?
Oh, okay.
You'll see later.
Okay.
When we get to
When we go back to the bridge, it's over the bridge.
No, it was at the. It's near the bridge, but it's at the the third floor.
Okay.
Last time the other one was taking too long.
Yeah.
Just that little was just open. Just that.
Going down.
I remember.
Third floor now. Did you want to go to the children's hospital? Children's?
No, I think I'm fine.
Okay.
I still remember it. I remember. I don't remember. Still don't remember. It's just the injured.
Yeah.
But now I do remember, so I can. Since I just filmed it. Okay, let's go back this way. Oh yeah, we're supposed to go this way. Oh, it's just. Alright. Oh, we're this way. See? They're right here.
Oh, okay.
Huh? This is.
that's what they do. So that's what
There it
the
is.
primary survey. Okay. What we're going upstairs. The last time they did it.
Oh, easy.
The first part. The second part of the exam is,
Yep.
they basically feel every single part.
2 works.
Yeah.
One doesn't work. Oh, one of these ones. Does like food. I know it. Look at this one down. Huh? How do you hear that? That's okay.
You're gonna go to 3.
Let's see if 11 works. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh. What the heck? Look at those 30 elevators. I mean the 30 doors. Alright, I'm go back to 3.
Want to go back to the bridge?
No, yeah, I'm in 3. I just pressed 2 X. Sorry, I was bet. That was bet for 3. I pressed 2 X.
It's okay.
What the heck? Maybe it was just 5. Excuse me. Just people.
Observation.
Okay. We'll try this place. I'm not sure.
We can't go those.
Yeah, I remember last time it was just. Last time it was just. Ethan got worst. And you just need a key card for that. Last night, the Medical Plaza elevators.
Okay.
CNC and Vascular Institute. But I thought it was just a huge move.
These damn elevators, right?
Yep.
You have to end up anywhere.
That's my patch. Look at the video. Can't move that one.
Are we all done on this side?
Hmm?
We're all done on that side? Are we
Yeah.
all done?
I mean, we're gonna write the children's hospital. Don't forget.
Oh, okay.
After you write the medical plaza, we're just gonna go back to the bridge
Okay.
and write the children's hospital.